Hello everyone. Today we'll learn how to draw phase voltage and line voltage. That is 3-phase voltage and 3-phase line voltage on a graph paper. So initially we have drawn a x-axis. On this x-axis we have marked 30 degree at 1 centimeter, then 60 degree and then 90 degree and so on. Now we have to start with phase voltage, that is red phase. So first of all, to draw this, we will start with marking the points. We will consider that our peak voltage will be at 2 centimeters. So we will write it here, this is VM phase. We will mark points on this axis. So point A at 30 degree, point B at 90 degree below this axis, point C at 150 degree above the axis, then point E, point D at 210, point E at 270 and point F at 330. We'll start with R phase. So as we have started A at 30 degree, and at 90 degree we will have a peak voltage for R phase. We will mark like this. Same way, now we will start joining these points. So our first phase voltage will start from 0. Then we will go through this point A, through this peak value. Then we will join point C at 180 degree. Now we have to go through this point D and we have to mark negative peak below this E point. So now again we will join this point D, negative peak, then point F and back to 360 degree for 0. So this is R phase. So with respect to neutral, so we will mark it as VRN. Now next is yellow phase. So to draw yellow, we will use green pen. As Y phase will be phase shifted by 120, we have to start with 120 degree. Then our peak voltage will be above this point D, so we will mark it here. And we will smoothly draw this line and then we will extend it on our left hand side. So 120 degree. Then this point C, this peak, then point E and to this 330. So positive half is over. For the negative half, we have to pass it through this point F and we will make the negative peak on this side. Same way we have to extend it on a left hand side. As point A is here, we have to mark negative peak below, exactly below this point. And we will smoothly draw it through this point B. As this is coming after 120 degree from this R phase, this is yellow, so V, Y, N. Now we have to draw blue phase. So after this, as it is starting at 120, now blue will start at 240 degree. So we have to start from this 240. Peak will be above this point number F. So we have to mark a peak over here. Now we will draw this smoothly. Same way we will extend on our left hand side. So peak will be exactly below this point C. We can pass it through point B, point D and 0. Same way here we have to draw it from through point number A. This is VBN. So this is phase voltage, peak phase voltage. Same way we can say this is VM phase voltage minus VM. Wherever these two phases are cutting, it is exactly 50% of maximum peak. So we can write it as 1/2 VM phase. And here it is minus 1/2 VM phase. So this is phase voltage. Now we have to draw line voltages. So now while drawing the line voltages, we'll draw it below, exactly below this. We have to just extend our points. Point number A is coming here. Point number B is coming at this point. So we'll mark it here. Point number C. Point number D. Point E. And point F. If we can observe here, at point A, red phase and this blue phase, both these are cutting at point number A. So at point number A, red VRN and VBN, these two are cutting to each other. So now we'll see again at what point both the phases are crossing to each other. So this red and blue, both these are crossing at point number D. So we can say at point number A and D, both the phases are crossing. So while drawing the line voltage, we have to consider these 2 points, point A and D, and we have to draw a peak for VRB. So we will consider it for these 2 points, and we have to mark a center point over here. And now we will draw smooth curve. And this, as RB is cutting over here, this is VRB and this is line voltage. Same thing will extend on a negative side. This we can extend still here. This is VRB. As VRB is there, we can again draw BR also, exactly opposite to it. We can draw exactly opposite to this. Same we have drawn it here. We can start drawing from this point. Point number D. Exactly opposite to this, we will have one more peak and back to 0. As this wave is exactly opposite to VRB, this is VBR. So as we have considered crossing of point number A and point number D, now we have to do it for the next 2 points. So let's start with point number B. At point B, these 2 lines are cutting to each other. So this is VYN and next is VBN. These 2 are again crossing at point E. So at these 2 points, Y phase and blue phase, both these are cutting. So we'll draw it on a next line. B and E. In this we will have YB line voltage. So as B and E is here, we have to find out center point. So center point will be exactly at this point, above this. So now we have to smoothly join these 3 points. We'll extend it below. We'll extend it on a left hand side also. As this point, Y and B phases are cutting, so this is VYB voltage. Same way, opposite to this, we can draw BY voltage also, VBY. We'll extend it on this side also. This is VBY. Now two more points are remaining. That is point number C. At point number C, VYN and VRN, both these are cutting to each other, and both these are again cutting at point number F. So C to F we have to show next line voltage, that is YR. C to F. So we have to start from C, we have to finish it at F. C to F, peak will be at this point and we'll join it. This voltage is VYR. We'll extend it again. As this is YR, we can exactly draw negative phase for it. So this peak as we have drawn it for below YR, now this voltage will be opposite to it, that is VRY. So this is a line voltage. This way we can easily draw phase voltage, and with respect to it we can draw the line voltage easily by marking these points at every 60 degree and starting with 30 degree. Thank you.